In this Vinted review, I'm going to be showing you guys if you can really make money by selling your secondhand stuff. So it can be, clothes, shoes or accessory. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Vinted is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So in this website right over here, you can sell all of your secondhand stuff. So if you have things that you really don't want or you want to sell it, or if the size has become too small, you can sell it right over here. Or maybe if you're wondering if you can actually make this a business of your own, so stick around till the end of the video as I'm going to reveal everything right over here. So you can see, you can find a lot of stuff. So it is for both men and women. So you can see in the women category you have all of these, maybe pants and leggings. So if you go here, you can get a lot of sellers that are selling these types of clothing. So if you look at the price, this thing only costs like $1, this one $4, $2, $3. The thing is that it's pretty cheap, so that's pretty cool. This is just $1, $2, $1. So you can, as a buyer, you can get pretty cheap stuff. But as a seller, what I would like to say is that you're not going to be making a huge profit margin. But if you have stuff that you want to really sell, I would suggest you guys just go put a listing and you can sell it over here. The main thing about this is that you have to take really good pictures. So let's go to tops and t-shirt. So guys, make sure you guys take really good pictures. Maybe this picture actually looks good, but if you look at this picture, it's not really good. So I would suggest you have a clean photo of your secondhand product, and if you list it here, you have higher chances of getting rated. So as you can see, this product right over here have 28 likes. So the chances of this dress being sold is pretty higher. So, and a cool way in which you can reach out to buyers is that, so you can actually see the people that have liked the t-shirt. So what you have to do is just message them that you are going to give them for a little bit discount, and they might really buy it. So that's a cool way. And with the increase in likes, your result are going to be getting to the top. So the cons I would like to mention is that there are a lot of different t-shirts. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that sellers are listing over here. So there's just a lot of product. So the chances of your listing to be shown to the buyer is pretty low. So make sure you guys put really nice pictures that really stands out, and in that way it's going to reach to the top and many buyers can actually see it. So the main thing about Vinted is you have to post really good photos, and that way you can get seen by everyone. And I have done a deeper digging into vintage as well. I'm going to discuss about that later. And one thing I want to mention is that Vinted is only available in 16 markets. So it's the Spain, France, Luxembourg, Belgium, the Netherlands, Germany, Austria, and you have Poland, Lithuania, UK, Italy, Portugal, USA and Canada. So it apparently has only 60 market. It's not worldwide, so it's not for everyone. So if you're from the Asia, Australia, this is not for you. But if you're from these 16 countries, you can definitely go here and sell something. But I have seen a lot of problems with this website recently. So I have visited a website called Trustpilot, in which you can actually get the actually identify whether the the website is good or not. So I have found that they have only 2.8 reviews. So that's 2.8 star review is actually pretty bad for you know for a website that is shown in Trustpilot. So normally when a website is really good, or if it's like really verified, or if it's a good company, it's going to have at least 4-star reviews. But this website right over here has only 2.8 star reviews. So earlier the website used to have up to like 4-star review, but now the ratings have dropped significantly. So if you look at the 5-star and the 1-star, they don't have much difference, as you can see, 55% and 34%, which is a lot. So let's have a look at some of the 1-star reviews. So I have gone through some of the reviews, and most of them they tell us that the sellers are getting banned for no reason. Maybe the algorithm finds people scam you or something like that. But a lot of people are getting banned in this website, and they are having a lot of problem with it. And some other people they don't have any customer support. So if you actually have a problem with this website, and if you reach out to their customer support, they're going to be taking a lot of time for the reply, and it's gonna be very lagging, I would say. That's what I have read from all the reviews. So if you have a problem, they are going to take forever for you guys to solve it. So that's again a red flag. And another thing that I have found is that apparently Vinted website, they allow the buyers to actually choose the delivering process. So that's actually bad for the sellers. So if the buyer wants to get from a particular delivery system, and the seller has to keep on traveling from different places and different places, so based on the number of buyers you have, you will have to go to multiple destination to meet the delivery of your customer. So that again is a big con. So if you're looking to start a secondhand business in this Vinted website, it won't apparently work out, because if you have multiple customer, and if you're going to deliver it to your buyers to multiple delivery system, you will have to go all your location. You will have to go and find all these delivery system around your place, and it's very time consuming. So as a business, I would never recommend Vinted, because it won't if your delivery system is from different places, it's not really going to work out for you. But if you have a lot of clothes, and if you have a lot of shoes or accessories that you want to dump out, then this platform right here can be good, because if you have a lot of products that you want to sell for little to no money, you can come here and sell it. But otherwise, as a business, I would never recommend a website like Vinted. So that's basically it for this video of Vinted. If you want to check it out, you can check it out from vinted.com. By any chance, if you're here and if you want to start a business that makes about 5,000 to 10,000 or maybe even $1,000 per month, then you can click the first link in the description. It has basically helped me to go from $5,000 to $10,000 per month. So if you want to find the strategy out, you can click the first link in the description. It's a free affiliate marketing guide. So if you want this free guide, make sure you click the first link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.